Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to make a silky smooth buttercream frosting with just 3 simple ingredients. You can use this frosting to frost your cakes and cupcakes. It's very stable, so let's get started. Here I have my unsalted butter and it's softened at room temp. We're just going to drop that in. That's about 200 grams. So go ahead and weigh out all of your ingredients. I recommend having a digital scale, but if you don't own one, you can always use a 1-to-1 ratio. Now whip up your butter until it gets really fluffy. You are going to start out on medium slow and then gradually work your way up to medium high. And just allow that to get really fluffy before starting to add your sugar. Now that it's all fluffy, go ahead and add in your sugar just a little bit at a time. Now I'm going to add my milk in a little at a time, just to loosen up the texture of my buttercream, and I'm going to allow that to just drizzle down the side. Now if you notice that I'm holding the bottom of the bowl, that's just because my beater isn't getting all the way down to the bottom. So I keep supporting the bottom, lifting it up a little bit, just so that the beater can get all of that butter and sugar incorporated. And I'm just scraping my bowl every now and then just to make sure that everything gets incorporated. Now I'm going to add my vanilla extract, just a tablespoon will do. This is what my buttercream looks like at the end of it. Very smooth, very creamy, and it was beaten for about 15 minutes. At this consistency, your buttercream is perfect for filling and stacking a cake. In a few, I'm going to show you how I pipe using this buttercream. I'll be using this 1M tip, and I will be showing you how I assemble that with my piping bag. I'll just cut off the tip of the bag and just insert that tip. Nothing complicated. I won't be using a coupler. I'll just insert it, cut the tip, that's it. Now I'll be filling up the bag with some of my frosting, and this is how I do it. Now look how smooth that is. Now, if you're still with me, thank you so much for sticking out till the end. I love making videos like these and I can't wait to make some more. So just stay with me, I have a lot more in store. Share with your friends, your family, and loved ones. And remember to subscribe, like, and share, comment. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.